Today we will learn about the basics of air handling unit and its temperature control principle, and subscribe to the channel and watch the video call till today so that these topics are well understood. An air handling unit AHU is a component of a building's HPSC system and controls and circulates the air. The AHU is normally connected to a duct which distributes air to different areas of the building. There are many types of AHU. Here we will look at the two most commonly used AHU types. The first type is the fresh air handling unit. This type of issue takes air from outside, filters it and supplies it to the space according to the required CFM and temperature of the building occupant. It is called a 100% fresh air system because it uses only fresh air from outside. The next type is recirculating air handling unit AHU. Of this type takes air from inside the building, filters it, conditions according to the required temperature and then circulates the same air in the space of the building. This is called a 100% recirculating air system because the air continuously circulates through the AHU. These two types of issues can be utilized independently or strategically combined to ensure enhanced comfort and satisfaction for the building occupants. Let's explore the key aspects in detail. The main unit consists of a sizable metal container housing all components, such as the inlet damper, which isolates the air intake duct from the interior and maintains clean air for occupants of the building. And air filtration is always given in AHU to give dust-free air. Filtration is used at the start of the AHU so that all further components remain clean. The first of the most commonly used filtration units is the 3 filters. This is the first stage of filtration which stops large particles like dust hair. The pre-filter protects the components from being damaged by large particles. Next is the filtration unit, back filter. This filter removes small particles which the pre-filter cannot catch or those coming from outside air. It also removes contamination. The next important component of AHU is cooling coil heat exchanger. Coils are installed inside the AHU to keep the building cool and maintain humidity levels. Coils use cold water or refrigerant to cool the air. The next component is the heating coil. An oil is used to heat the air in winter conditions, either from the hot water system or through the electric heater is the last main component of HU. Fan is installed in the HU to push the outside air inside the building, which supplies the air through the ductwork. These fans can be single speed, dual speed or with VFD so that the speed of the fan can be controlled. The fan AH is installed in the UK, and the next component is the outlet damper, which is similar to the inlet damper with the help of the inlet and outlet damper when AH is not in use. An AHU can entirely isolate ducts and airflow. Essentially, its function involves drawing outside air, adjusting its temperature by heating or cooling, and then distributing the conditioned air indoors. The purpose behind this temperature modulation is maintaining constant comfort levels. The valve on the return side of the cooling coil is opened so that more cold water or refrigerant gas can reach the coil. When the hot outside air comes into contact with the cold heat exchanger coil, heat transfer occurs between the hot air and the coil. Molecules in the air release moisture, and the temperature of the air drops significantly, which allows the building to get cold air. This man keeps walking until the space of the building is cooled down safely. After some time, when the space of the building becomes quite cold, the valve of the cooling coil is closed to maintain the desired temperature. So the cooling principle is that the required temperature is maintained by opening or closing the valve. This whole temperature control processor can be automatically through building automation system or building management system without any manual interaction. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any suggestions or comments, then definitely tell them in the comment section and like this video and subscribe to the channel.